Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Hello, hello. Mic testing. One, two, three. Start. Okay. Okay. So now we are at the home page of the Canva. Okay. So let's search. We are learning how to make story. Instagram story using Canva. Okay. After that, enter. After that, here you can fix which category means you want. Okay. Obviously, you just search Instagram story. That's why that's the only category. And the style, whether you want modern, minimalist, simple, elegant, aesthetic, happy, colorful, illustrative, illustration, creative, purple, photo, bold, clean, illustrative, minimal, feminine, promo, abstract, cute. So many styles of Instagram story is are there, so you can select any of them, whichever style you want to create. Select. Just let's just select funny. I like the funny stories. After that, now we got all the templates, both free and pro ones, for the funny Instagram story. Okay. Now among them, either you click here to create a blank to create your own, means if you have any idea to create that, you can click here and create your own. Otherwise, just click any of this, whichever you like, free or pro. For pro, to use the pro elements, you have to upgrade to Canva Pro. Otherwise, there are so many free options, free templates, you can use them and make nice Instagram story from here. Okay. First option is this. Second option is both the option. One option is this, other option is to click on the create option. Okay. Create on blank page. Here, create blank. Let's create something our own. Okay. Okay. Now we are creating, so let's create something healthy on environment. Let's search environment. Actually, recently on June 5th, World Environment Day was there. Okay, that's why I am insisting to means like create it. Or Yoga Day also you can create that. Okay, let's search a nice. Let's just explore a good template for our story. Okay, which will be so much attractive, which will drag attention. Okay, so is there any free? Because World Environment Day, Happy Environment Day, June 2035. This is for future use. We can use it for now also. Just edit 2025 in place of 35. Let's plant in your home World Environment Day. Reduce, reuse, recycle these things. Nice. It's Environment Day. Save more water. It's good. Actually, I'm not getting anything of my. Oh, it's nice. Let's take this one. World Environment Day, June 5th, 2025. Okay. Now let's add something, some other pages. Let's click there. To add page, you have to click here on the plus button. After that, a page will be added like this. Click here, another page. Go to the page 2 now. How to edit the page 2? You have to click here. If you want to edit something in page 3, just click on the page 3. If you want to edit in page 2, click there. If you want to edit something in page 1, click here. Okay, you got it. For example, you want to increase the size. Got. Okay. World Environment Day. World is okay. Environment Day. Let's increase the size a little bit more. Tick 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 tick. No. Tick 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 tick. It's good. Now let's just increase it lengthwise. Okay. Now it's good. Drag it and drop it here in the middle. Now it's good. Okay. Environment Day, or you can just shift here in the little. It's good now. Now in the page 2 we have to insert something. So how we'll do? Just click on the page 2. Okay. Now what to insert? Let's search other designs. We may get something here, but here there is no design. I think extra designs. Let's explore in the recently used folder. We may get some nice, cute designs, templates for our Earth Day. Here I am not getting anything recently used for Earth Day. I think since so long I haven't used any, that's why there are no designs recently used. Okay, so let's search green earth, something like that. Similar type of, if you search, they will something similar type of templates will appear. Okay, International Earth Day. Let's this one we can use clip. Now here so many are there. Love the nature, save the earth, World Environment Day. So let's add something here, click here, and the third. After that, we are not doing, means we are making story for Environment Day. Okay, this is good. Let's click it, add that one. Nice. Okay, let's move to renewable energy. Obviously that's necessary. Now anything else? Let's add another 1 or 2 page. After that we will stop adding them. Let's just add. Let's search here renewable energy or something else, or what? Environment Day quote. Environment Day quote. In that sense also something will be there. Let's keep the beauty of the forest so that the earth doesn't cry. That's good one, but deep one. Let's take something simple which will be digested by everyone. And simple means everyone in the sense I'm referring as child. So nowadays children are using phones, Instagram so much, right? So there should be something for their understanding. Okay, now let's search what's written here. World Environment Day, that's it, nothing more. Our actions. I'm searching for something like World Environment Day. This is good. Let's click here. We may get something nice. This one is good. Okay, let's take this one, not this one, instead of that one. Go green, save energy. Okay, now what to use? Now let's use this one. Let's click here, add another page, and now let's just click it. Okay, so this is the page, complete page for our video. Now let's just add some transitions. Let's add some animation to each page. Okay, click then. How to add? Click here, or you can click here, complete page. Here so many elements are coming. If you want like this, if complete page is coming in the frame, in that case only if you click and add animation, it will be added to whole page. Otherwise it will just go with the single element. Okay, now and the best way is you click here and from that directly click animation. Okay, now let's just search. What we are doing, animate. Let's click animation here. Let's just try every animation. What is better? This party, corporate, chill. I think chill is good, or corporate. Chill is good. Apply to all pages. Let it be. Now let's add some transition between the pages. Okay, so click here. You can here notice a small icon, add transition. Click here, not on the upper section. Here if you click, you will add another page between the first page and second page, but here if you click, you will add some transition like this. Anyone, if you click here, dissolve, it will dissolve. Slide, it will slide. Circular flow, color wipe, line wipe, match and move, flow. I think this is good. Let's apply flow. Which direction? This direction, this direction, no, this one or this one. Which direction? This direction is good, na? This one. Now apply between all pages. It will be applied between all pages. Now you should add a music, isn't it? So here in the left side bar, Below template text is there, where there should be an icon for audio section here. Audio, click that. After that, free music you can click here. So many free musics will be there, but here in my recent used, so many nice musics are there. Let's add something and let's just try, hit and try this, how it goes. Click. Cocktail music. Let's delete this one, this rock beat, and let's add this cocktail music and try how it sounds. I think it sounds nice. Wow, perfect. Let's just do one thing here. In the last page, this writing is barely visible. Okay, it's very small. Let's increase its size. So what you have to do, you just have to click here on the 5th page. Okay, after that click here. After that, let's increase the size. Okay, it's good. Now it's visible what it's written properly. Okay, now it's good. Let's click that. Let's shift it a little bit. Now let's increase this size so that that writing's background will be perfectly spaced for it. Now let's just keep this one down somewhere. If you have some site, just website, just write your website name there, and let's just make it bold and italics. It's nice. Now let's just decrease a little size so that it will fit there. That's good. The greatest threat to our plants is believing someone else will save it. Okay, we have to save only, right? This one is good. Happy World Environment Day. Now it's perfect. I think the complete video. So that's it for today. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And let's just play it once more. Or here. How your Insta story on the page of Instagram is like. Okay, now let's close. And how to share from here? Here in the left side bar, right side top corner, here a share button is there. Click there. After that, below Instagram is there. Click here. After that, your choice, whatever you want to click, according to that it will proceed it. Actually, I do not have Instagram page, that's why I am not sharing from here directly. I will just do one thing. You know what, I will just download it from here. Okay, just above the Instagram, here just above the Instagram download section is there na. I will just download it and send to any of my family members or my friends, or so that they can upload it if they want. And that too maybe next year. This year already Environment Day is over, right? So that's it for today. Take care. Bye bye.